Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted partner in advanced communication and security solutions. Today, we're discussing how video intercom systems help businesses ensure secure deliveries, protecting property, verifying visitors, and keeping operations running smoothly. Every day, businesses receive dozens of deliveries, from office supplies and mail packages to critical inventory and equipment. But without proper verification, those same deliveries can become security risks. That's why video intercom systems have become an essential layer of modern business security. Unlike traditional buzzers or voice-only intercoms, video intercoms allow visual identification of every delivery personnel before access is granted. Staff can see, hear, and communicate with the courier in real time, ensuring packages are handed off to the right person at the right location. This prevents unauthorized access, package theft, and identity fraud, especially in buildings with multiple tenants or restricted areas. Modern video intercoms, such as those installed by Comm Systems, include remote access control via smartphone or desktop applications. That means even if your staff is off-site, they can view live video, verify credentials, and grant or deny entry, keeping deliveries secure 24/7. For warehouses, hospitals, hotels, and corporate offices, this capability is a game changer. It ensures that delivery drivers only enter designated drop zones, minimizing disruptions to daily operations while protecting sensitive or private areas of the facility. In addition, integrated recording features create an audit trail so management can review footage if a delivery dispute or security concern arises. At Comm Systems, we design and install customized video intercom solutions that match your building's layout, security policies, and operational needs. Whether it's a small business, a commercial complex, or a high-rise property, our systems enhance security, accountability, and convenience. Thank you for watching this episode on how video intercoms help ensure secure deliveries for businesses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on modern communication and security systems. For more information, visit www.dvcsny.com or call 888-501-5885.